On today's episode on WarpDriveM, I'm going to present you the new project car. I know it's late, it's dark, but I just received the car and I'm gonna show you everything. And the new project car is in the garage. I just received the car. I picked the car locally, about 10-12 kilometers, something like that. It's a 1 series 4-door 1.8 diesel engine. The car doesn't have any kind of options, not even a parking sensor, basically nothing. It's just stock. Oops, this one is locked. The battery is dead, the engine doesn't start, and we are going to start checking what's wrong with the car. I have some idea because I have some papers from the last shop. Let me show you in here. We don't have even climate control, so basically nothing, just electrical windows, and that's about it. 6-speed gearbox. And check this out, somebody was already in there. Here in the back we have a missing module, and this module is the module for the pump from the tank, so that one is missing. Let's hope it will be an easy fix, not really sure. We have in here the opener for the trunk. The battery is completely dead, and till tomorrow I'm going to try to charge the battery just to be able to scan the car a little bit to see what's wrong, what we have, what kind of errors and stuff like that. Battery here, we still have the original battery. Oops, that's not a good sign. Melted plastic. Okay, let's put the charger to see what's going to happen. I've just hooked up the charger. Let's see what. Oh, error. dead. Okay, let me remove the battery to try to find another one here in the garage. I took the battery out, and surprise, check this out. I found the module here in the trunk, but we have a burn mark in there. See that on the cover? Yep, so I'm pretty sure this one is toasted because it's already burned. I'm not really sure, but it looks like that. Let's plug that in, put the battery, and do a diagnosis to see what we have. After finding the smallest battery that I have, because this is the only one that is it's working or it has current, we put everything just temporary in here. I'm going to put this just like that. In case of something, we have to be able to pull the cable out. I've installed in here the module without the cover because I want to see if it's going to start to smoke or to burn. And yeah, it's easier to see without the cover. We have the cover in here. I'm going to recheck if this is the correct part number or if this module is from this car, but I'm pretty sure, because why would be in there in the trunk? We have the battery, the key, and yes, you've guessed it, we have just one key, as usual with me buying cars with one key. Batteries in, we have light on the dash. Let's put the charger minus plus, stay in there. Let's see. Yep, we have 12 volts. Okay, I hope that it's holding current. Okay, everything will remain like this. We have light. Let's see how many kilometers the car has, because the car was dead. Oh, check this out, spider webs. I hope you can see those. Yep, everywhere in here. So the car was sitting for a while. Press the key. Oops, push the key. 7 degrees outside and kilometers. Holy smokes, 361,000 kilometers. Okay, let's see if something in here is working. Okay, the radio is working. Ventilator. Maybe just with the ignition on. Oh, we have ignition. We have ventilator. Set time and date. Oops, okay. Check car, that's about it. Check. Time and date and check car. That's about it. Okay, let's do something dumb. Let's open the hood. Let's see what's in there. And if everything is fine, I'm going to try to crank the car. Holy smokes, what do we have in here? Holy smokes. Why I keep buying cars without even looking? Holy freaking hell. I cannot see anything. Oh, this one seems to be new. Maybe because of the oil. Oh, leaking. Leaking. All the injectors are leaking. That's perfect, of course. And here everything seems to be dry. The intake seems to be dry. Oh, check this out. We have the last oil change 342,000 kilometers. Next one 370. So we have a new oil change. That's perfect. Do we have water? Come on, we want to start the car. Yes, we have. Water or oil? Water, antifreeze. That's perfect. Let's see if we have oil. Okay. Do we have oil? Yes, now. Yes, we have. Okay, that's perfect. It's enough in order to start the car. We have all the belts, everything, all the bells and whistles. Yeah, let's give it a crank. What the hell? It's already broken. Oh, I completely forgot. Do we have smoke in here? No, no smoke. Let's give it a try. Ignition off. Okay, maybe if, yes, I can turn the wheel. Yes, I can. Clutch in. Let's give it a go. Do we have diesel? I didn't even check. Ignition. Yes, we have. Ooh, minus 45,000 kilometers. Yes, we have. Okay, a lot of errors. It doesn't matter. Let's give it once again a crank. Okay, ABS is normal because of the battery that comes always first. Okay, let's check the voltage once again because it's turning slow. Oh yeah, 11 point. Okay, I'm going to close everything, all the lights, the doors and everything, and I'm going to leave the car to charge for a while. I'm going to hook up the scanner, pull out all the codes, and let's see what we have. First, let's check if the trunk is working. Yeah, perfect. Okay, all the lights off. Let's see if we can put the windows down. Yes, we can. The other one as well. Okay, so now we are not going. Ooh, no key. Yeah, because I have the key. Does it have keyless? Do we have the same error? No. Okay. Oh, something is not right here. Something is not right. See that? I can put the ignition and the key is here. Oh yeah, that's why, maybe because the ignition is on and the key is not in. But why can you take the ignition out or the key out? Huh. Something is not right because this one works exactly the opposite. If you press the key to push it in, it's going to pop out. So, okay, another problem. Let's give it another crank. What the hell? Whoa, 9. Oh my god. Check this out. I said 9 because we have no wiper whatsoever and this freaking started to work. What? Oh, see that once again. I hope it's not going to slam into the window. I want to shut it off. Okay, I'm going to remove it first because I don't want to. Oh, see that again. Give me a few seconds. And I've already noticed a problem. I cannot show you because it's already done scanning. It tried to scan the module for the fuel pump and it didn't scan that. So we don't have the module here, no communication with the module. Let's see what we have on the engine side. It's way slower than normal, not really sure why. Okay, present electric fan, okay, and absent cylinder 1, glow plugs, okay. And we have in here a message from fuel pump or receiver combi. Receiver is the tachometer, that's what is called in German combi instrument. Transmitter electronical Kraftstoffpumpe. So we don't have any kind of message from the fuel pump module, so this is our problem for now. In here you can see we have a lot of errors, of course, in each module, almost in each module, but a lot of the errors are under voltage, so we know that the battery is dead. We are going to replace the module, fuel pump module, and we are going to start once again, and we are going to leave the battery to charge, and let's hope the car will start. If this is the only problem, we will have a very good deal. If not, we go from there. If we go to the control unit here, drive, let's see, electrical fuel pump control, let's connect to this one, and we should have no result or no communication. If that's the case, we have an easy fix. And I've noticed in here we have the M47 engine, not the N47, so that means we don't have the, oh, see that? We cannot communicate with the module, so that's the first problem. Okay, so like I said, we have the M47 engine, not the N47, so that means we have the chain in the front normally on this engine, so this engine doesn't have problems with the timing chain. Oh yes, it's here. The engine seems to be clean for 300 inside, I mean, not outside. Because you can see what disaster we have in here. Anyway, I think I'm going to close the video in here because I cannot do anything without that module. I cannot do anything without a good battery, and that's why we are going to close the video in here. And in the next episode we are going to start tackling a lot of problems. Let's take the key out, starting of course with the module, after that with the ignition slot. We have to see what's in there. In the meantime, let's unplug this because we don't want to burn the car while I'm sleeping, of course. If you want to see more progress on this car, join me for the next episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.